Dr. Wright, can chronic pain be inherited?
Chronic pain, per se, the pain part of it, I don't think there are enough data suggesting that it is inherited, but chronic migraine is definitely. Actually, I was involved in one of the studies that we were doing in Jefferson, and chronic migraine was inherited, so they are component. But otherwise, for chronic pain, it's multifactorial, the lifestyle you lived, the atmosphere around you, people around you, and repetitive injury. So I think it's overall multifactorial.
Dr. Haque, can you inherit chronic pain?
So there are some studies that show that there is some trends where chronic pain does continue in generations. I wouldn't call it inherited. It's usually considered to be multifactorial. But we find that the people who have certain behaviors that lead to development of chronic pain, they'll pass those behaviors on to their children, and those children will then oftentimes suffer from the same effects that those behaviors will create. Whether it's work style, whether it's the environment that they grew up in, or just the poor eating and exercise habits that they've inherited. Of course, there's always some genetic disorders that are passed on from parent to child that also contribute to that, and that's why it's called multifactorial.